Hey, good evening everybody. So this weekend's gonna be a little bit different. Unfortunately I had family stuff I had to get done today and yesterday, so I didn't do any content for you guys. But I do have a surprise for you. I just got back from doing everything to go pick up the Ruckus. Go pick up the parts. You heard me right. The back of the car. Full of parts. Let's take a look. Check that all out. Parts. And there's parts in the back of the car. But I don't know if you can see it or not. But guess what? Even if you can, oh yeah, you definitely can see the frame right there. What color is it, guys? Because it's not the color it sees right now. That's right. That's right. It's still a surprise. I'm still not gonna tell you guys. Why would I do that? But what I am gonna do is take these parts out of the car right quick. What color, you may ask? That's what you're gonna have to find out next week. That's right. A whole week of getting to find out what colors. I know I kind of clickbaited you guys because hey, guess what color it is? I'm unveiling it. It's gonna be one more week, but it's right there. So let's move it from there and there. Ready? 3, 2. What? 3, 2. Guess I'm just gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Let's set you guys up right here, right quick. And let me move them all in. And honestly, guys, that's a wrap. I'm on a time constraint because still want to get this posted for Sunday. Didn't want to leave you guys hanging. I promised you a video every Sunday. Now, was this the best thing in the world? No. Was it good content? Of course. It was clickbait. Of course it's good content. You guys know what good content is, right? Honestly, yeah. If I hadn't gone and picked up the the Ruckus parts, I probably would have not posted anything. I didn't have really a backup plan. Kind of out of ideas. Well, I'm not out of ideas. I'm just out of content. You know, I figured I'd have these parts already, but you know what? It's better late than never. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I wish you guys a great week. Hope you guys are all staying safe. I just wanted to say thank you so much for, you know, being with me on this road. You know, through the different projects that's going through my head about different things I want to do. Got a couple things up my sleeve. Let's just see if I can make them happen. I got a couple of ideas of videos and a little bit of traveling, as long as everything allows me to do so. But that's for you guys to find out later down the road. Alright guys, well, let's go into effectively end today's vlog. Whoa! Hold up. Guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, please, you can go smash that subscribe button for me. And Squad, go smash that like button for me. Come on guys, you gotta help me with the YouTube algorithm. I just need it's starting to help actually. So I've gone from 99% of you are not subscribed to 98.8 not subscribed. So we got down to 0.2%. So thank you guys for the ones who did smash that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Come on, everyone else, are you not subscribed? Come on, go smash that subscribe button for me. I'm half asleep. It's been a long week. I've traveled all the way out to Ocean City, Maryland, and I traveled all the way down to North Carolina in one weekend. It's been busy. So I had to do some family stuff. So family comes before this. Family always comes first, but still gotta be loyal to you guys too. You loyal subscribers. All right, now this now effectively ends today's vlog. All right, guys. Well, peace out.